What is going on, guys? Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is CPI day, so let's see what we can cook up here in the market. All right, guys. So here, I'm about to go live here on the premium. Let me start it up. But yeah, hopefully you guys are having an amazing morning. I know I am. I woke up not even too long ago. I'm sure you guys can hear it in my voice. But hopefully we can get some sort of a trade today, a good one. You guys know so far this week has been going amazing. Monday we caught 120 points. Yesterday we caught 30, but we ended up getting stopped out on our runners, so that trade ended up being break even. But we're still super green on the week, so I'm happy with it. Now, for today, we're gonna see what we can get. All right, guys, we're gonna see what we can get today. We're gonna see what we can work with, and we go from there. All right, guys. So yeah, now let me go and start up the live trading here in the premium, so everyone can join up and all that stuff. And on the 15-minute, it looks like we have a 15-minute Ferrari gap, which I do want to trade, and I'll explain in a second why I want to use the 15-minute. But yeah, let me join up the live real quick. Yo, what's good, guys? What's going on? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's going on? All right, so obviously, you guys can see very clearly on the screen. The market is pushing up a lot. I mean, we're taking out a lot of levels of liquidity, and by a lot, I mean two, right? But you know, it's in my eyes, it's a really good amount, right? So, guys, um, I do see what I do know what I want to look for in the market off open, which is a good thing, right? We have our setups. The only thing we need is a reaction, right? So today I'm gonna be basing at least this setup, at least for now, off the 15-minute time frame, because on the 5 minute there's really not much to work with from what I know. Yeah, there's really nothing on the 5 minute, right? Now, you guys know CPI. Hold on, there you go. CPI did come out today. Obviously, you guys can see the market is reacting very, very, very positively. But we could use this we could use this to our advantage, right? So here's what I'm watching, right? With CPI being bullish, at least, yeah, it's pretty much bullish. I mean, look at all the buyers coming in. Um, what's happening right now is the market is taking out every single level of liquidity to the upside. There's a lot of buying, right? So, what I want to look for is obviously for now, I don't want to be bullish just yet. I know the market is pushing up like crazy, but hear me out, right? I don't want to be bullish just yet because we're taking out way too many levels of liquidity to the upside, and we're creating too many levels of liquidity to the downside, which we have not tapped into, right? And obviously, with us going into liquidity to the upside and taking every single one out, the chances of us reversing gets higher and higher and higher, right? It's not guaranteed, I know that, but it's something to look out for. Right now, you guys also got to keep in mind we're right near all-time high. We're about 40, 50 points away, right? So with the CPI hype or all that good stuff, we could more than likely shoot into all-time highs today. I mean, we could probably even do it right now, right? So what are we looking for right now? Well, what we're looking for is we want to start seeing. Right now, we're in a spot where we want to see if sellers can pick up, right? We want to see if sellers can pick up around this 648 range. Obviously, we're trading at 670 right now, but that's because buyers are too strong. So what are we looking for? Well, what we're looking for is to see if sellers can start stepping in. If sellers can start stepping in, that's perfect because we want to start looking for a sweep, right? Now, if we can't get a sweep off of 648, we're going to have to get it off 706. And if we keep going higher from there, unfortunately, we can't get a trade because we're trading at all-time highs and we can't do anything off that, right? So the only thing we really need here is we have a million setups to the downside. I mean, we have a ton of levels of liquidity to the downside. The interest is insane to the downside, right? Also, if you guys look at QQQ, you guys might also realize we have a huge gap that we usually fill, right? So everything to the downside is amazing. I really want to see downside today. We don't know when. We don't know even if we're gonna get it because obviously there's a lot of buyers right now. We don't have a signal, right? But we do want to start expecting some downside after the sweep off of 648. If we have to, we could play it off 706. I don't mind, right? But right now we're in a spot where longs is not the best thing. I mean, I know we're going up, and I know you might be saying, "Hey, you're literally like, what are you trying to say? We're getting bought up like crazy. Like, what do you mean?" No, obviously, we got enough buying during CPI to the point where it's like we took out every level of liquidity. Like, why should we be playing longs when we already did everything? You know what I mean? So I before I stay actually I'm not even gonna be bullish today because we're pretty much trading at all time high. So what's the point? You know what I mean? Now I really want to start looking for some sort of selling signal to come in. I'm sure we see it sometime today. Maybe not now. Maybe later. Hopefully later. But if we can get a selling signal, guys, I'm sure we can catch a major move. All we need to do is be able to read a perfect liquidity sweep, and we just catch one inverse. There's a ton of fair value gaps to the downside. I'm talking this 15 minute, this 15 minute, this 15 minute. You got what I'm saying? We don't usually get this many fair value gaps, especially in such a short amount of time, right? So what I want to do right now, I would say the game plan would it's a simple one. It's a really simple game plan. All we need to do is hold below 648, just like yesterday, right? We need to hold below a certain level. Once we're able to hold below this certain level with a set amount of selling coming in, that signals or that confirms the liquidity sweep, which is what we need, right? We need a DOL sweep below 648. Like I said, if we have to go above 706 first, we could do it. I don't mind. I really don't. It'll be more confirmation, right? Obviously, the setup will take a lot longer, but it's okay, right? Because the market just opened. Now, what I'm trying to say is we need to hold, right now at least, we need to hold below this 648 level. Obviously, you guys see it's a very strong level of liquidity that we just finished taking out, right? But we haven't swept it because there's no signs of sellers, at least yet, right? Now, if we're able to do that, all we need to do is simply inverse one of these fair value gaps, which is going to be this one. Because obviously, we're not going to wait 200 points to get an entry, right? We want to enter as soon as possible, right? So we want to start looking for some shorts below this fair value gap right here. So around 590 will be perfect, right? Once we get that, we take shorts, we target the high of every single fair value up to the downside, which would be this one. Let me mark it out. It'll be this one, it'll be this one, and then just liquidity below, right? Like I said, there's a lot of opportunities to the downside. The thing is, we just need to try to find it. Like I said a million times, I am not interested in longs. Price is pretty much trading at all-time highs. You guys can see right here. All-time highs right here, right? I'm not going to look for longs to target 30 points, 27 points. I'm not going to do that, right? It's the risk reward doesn't add up, right? So, like I said, if we need to take out 706, let's do it. I don't mind. I don't mind if we have to. And we're probably going to create another fair value cap on the way up. So, who cares, right? And yeah, we even have one on the 5 minute. So we have a million stuff to work with. We just need the signal. That's all we need today. Just one signal. All right. So yeah, guys, that's currently the game plan right now. Do you check the 3 minute? No, I don't. How soon after getting a PA can I request a payout? 8 days. 8 days. But yeah, I'm not gonna lie, guys. It kind of seems like buyers want to take out all-time high. We're right there. We might as well. We might as well. It'll just be more. It'll be extra confirmation. Now, if sellers can step in after we take out all-time high, it would be the best possible thing. Because obviously, if we keep going above all-time high, we might as well just call it a day because we can't do anything. So yeah, you know, hopefully we can get some sort of a sweep. I was expecting sellers to step in a lot earlier. But I guess not. I guess CPI came out very bullish today to the point where investors are very interested. But it's okay. Like I said, it's fine. It's fine. Um, but yeah. Now, guys, I'm gonna go get water real quick because I'm really thirsty. So I'll be back in a second because I drink all the water. Hold up. Alright, I'm back. And it seems like buyers are still stepping in. So I guess we're gonna have to take out all-time high. Is the 5 minute fair value? Yeah, it is. Yeah. Is there a chance you can explain Monday's trade, please? Yeah, I'll explain it later though. After I get a trade, if you remind me, because right now we're trying to focus on finding a setup, because we're trying to make some money, bro. Yeah, I got you. Just remind me. If we enter on the top of the fair value gap, does $7 fair on the way down make you nervous? It can inverse. No, you just target them. So instead of what's it called? Instead of I just lost my train of thought. Instead of you being worried about them, you just take profit. You know, when we hit them, pretty much. So yeah. Would you have taken the 15-minute inverse this morning? Which one? Are you talking about this one? Because I did see a red one. You're talking about this one. We inversed it at 9, so not really. No, I was sleeping. But it did look good. Yeah, I guess I'll take it. Yep, yep. Doesn't look horrible. Now, like I said, guys, price is pretty much at all-time highs. We might as well just take out this level up here. It's 10 points away. Now, this level right here will tell us what we do throughout the entire day. If we keep going above, like if sellers do not step up in this range, and we keep going up, you might as well call it for the day. Early. Like, I'm talking super early. Like, it hasn't even been 30 minutes, and we're going to call it. Right? Because, obviously, with price going above all-time high and staying above all-time high, we can't work with anything. Like, at all. Like, ever. So, you know, we need to see a rejection. Some sort of rejection. Right? Hopefully it's now. Fingers crossed. But we'll see. Alright, guys? We will see. Now, I know I was paying attention to the 15-minute. I kind of want to enter off the 15-minute, but I also want to enter off the 5-minute just so we can get an earlier entry. I'm really bearish just for the entire day, especially with price trading up here. So I really want to look for shorts, and I really want to enter pretty early. So I don't know. Maybe we use the 5-minute. Maybe we use the 15-minute. It kind of depends on the reaction. But this rejection is really nice. I'm not even gonna lie. But yeah, let me go ahead and mark out this fair value gap right here. Now, the reason I'm saying I would take this one as well is because even if we inverse this 5-minute, we're still sweeping liquidity at 648, which is very good. We're still getting the same confirmation. We're just getting an earlier entry. Now, the thing that makes this setup so risky is if we take this 5-minute, we're gonna shoot it straight down to this 15-minute where we can then bounce. So it's a little risky, I would say, but I'll take the risk. So for now, I kind of want to focus more on the 5-minute fair value gap. I just, like I said, the whole focus right now is to just look to see if we can hold, if NQ sellers can hold below 648. That's all we need. Right now, that's all we need. You're not worried about news? I don't think we have news at 10:30. If we do, it's probably an orange folder. Yeah, it's oil. It doesn't really do anything. But yeah, guys, all we need right now is for price to obviously hold below the fair value gap, but we also need it to hold below 648 because that's where we sweep. Full size? Yeah, yeah. I'll see. I mean, it depends on how sellers come in. Oh, and by the way, yeah, wait, I think ES just took out. Oh, I was about to say no. Okay, ES took out liquidity. It didn't take out all-time high. But yeah, we took out something over here. So yeah, that's also a good thing, a really good thing. Now we just need more sellers to step in, a lot more sellers. So hopefully we get that soon. But yeah, once ES rejects, if ES rejects off this level, we have nothing stopping us until this fair value gap as well. So it's everything's lining up perfectly, I would say. We just need more sellers. That's all we need. That is all we need. But yeah. Now, I need to see the reaction of ES because it seems like ES and NQ, they're following each other big time. Obviously, with such a big news event like CPI, I would expect them to follow each other and not chop out. So yeah, now that we're checking out this level of liquidity, it seems like NQ wants to sell off like big time. Like it's usually ES that wants to sell off, but this time it's NQ. Well, at least it wanted to hold down a second ago, but we're gonna see, right? We need ES to take out this level of liquidity and start showing weakness right here. Once ES can show weakness, I'm more than sure NQ could just free fall, which is what we want to see because obviously we want to hold below liquidity, right? So that's what we're looking for right now. That is what we're looking for. So far, it seems like ES wants to hold this down. I don't want to speak too early, obviously, but we sellers are they're trying to. Sellers are trying to step in. Obviously, sellers can't just step in like, hey, I'm gonna take control now and just make the sell off. That's not how it works. We have way too many buyers, way too many buyers. With CPI coming in, with the opening market, with everything, it's only buyers. So for sellers to step in is gonna take a little bit of time, more than likely, right? Because as buyers are getting weak, sellers are getting stronger. But buyers just can't get weak like at a certain level. It takes time. It takes some sort of chop, right? So once we're able to get that, we should be good to go for some shorts. But yeah, how will you size? I don't know yet, man. I don't know. I need to see how we react. Remember, keep in mind we're still trading at highs, bro. So shorts isn't even a question just yet. We need to see more sellers. But once we get the reaction and the momentum of sellers, I'll let you guys know how I'm gonna size. If it's choppy, then I'll do it light. If it's really fast, I'll do it full. That's how I want to trade. So yeah. But so far, it seems like we're still playing around this level, so that's a good thing. But yeah, hopefully we can hold these sellers down. Like I said, when we're looking for weakness, all we need to do is start looking for wicks and candles. We need to start seeing buyers start struggling to break highs. They can still break highs, but they need to struggle, right? Then what that shows is that sellers are gonna slowly start picking up and eventually take control. Like I said, with so much buying coming in after CPI and after the opening that we had that pumped us up, I don't even know how many points. Um, it's not something where sellers can just sell this off in a second. It's not gonna happen more than likely. So I'm kind of hoping we take out all time high first, just so we can get rid of that, rid of that of this thought right here. But if we don't, I mean, it's fine. It's fine if we don't. But it'll be an extra. It'll be an extra, right? We take this out. It already seems like buyers are trying to get weak. They're weakening up, which is a very good sign. All we need now is for sellers to just take control. The only thing that's holding us back from getting a setup right now is the momentum. We just need selling momentum. That's all we need. We get that. We inverse the fair value gap. We sweep the level. We're good. We're good for shorts. But for now, obviously sellers are trying to step in. They can't do it. So we gotta wait a little bit more. That's even if we get it. Right? Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. So yeah. Isn't it better if we just take out? Yeah, it will be better. Yeah, but we don't have to take it out. It's not a must. We already took out most levels to the upside. So it doesn't really matter if we do it. Yeah, like you said, it'll be better, but it's not a must, right? The sooner we sell off, the better, pretty much. Think of it like that. The sooner we sell off, the better. On my broker, we already swept all-time highs. No, we haven't already. We haven't yet. We have all-time highs at 706. Do you need to pay for the lifetime fee? No, I think you just have to sign the documents. But yeah, sellers are trying to step in. You guys could see it. Like the candles, they're trying to hold down, but buyers are still here. So maybe it'll take some more time. Hopefully we get it though. Hopefully we get it. But you guys can see, sellers are they're definitely trying, which is a very good sign. So we'll see how that goes. We're gonna see about time. I mean, we're right there. We might as well. But the sooner we get the selling, the better. We don't have to wait as long. Also, a lot of stocks are all time. Yeah, I mean, if NQ and ES are all time highs, practically everything is all time highs. Because that's how they move in the first place. More confidence if it sweeps all time high. Yeah, well, I would still have a lot of like I said, the only thing we're missing from this trade is the selling momentum. So I would say my confidence is gonna come from the momentum on how much selling we get, how fast we get it, how strong we get it. Um, so yeah, like I said, I don't really care if we take out all time high or not. It doesn't really matter to me. Because we already took out enough levels to the point where we could reject and we would know why. So all we need is just a simple rejection to the downside, and we're good to go. But yeah, let's see. Like I said, we want to start seeing buyers just start weakening up. Obviously, buyers just still try to step in, which is normal. They have the trend, but we want to see every single pullback that buyers get start getting smaller and smaller and smaller to the point where there's no more pullbacks and sellers take complete control. Once sellers take complete control, that's our sign to inverse fair value gap, and we take shorts, right? So that's what we're looking for. You see how we keep getting selling, and then the buying is weaker and weaker and weaker and weaker. That's what we know. Like we know it's gonna happen, right? It's just when will buyers just completely get out of the picture? That's the real question. That's what we're waiting for. Obviously, ES is still playing around this high right here, so it could take some time, but we'll see. We will see. Now, ES does have a 15-minute fair value gap, which we could use to our advantage, but we'll see. Now, I'm really hoping we can get a setup today, because all we need is sellers. If we invest, what's the price target one? Okay, now for the price targets, it's gonna be a little bit tricky. We're gonna have to use these mini lows right here as our price targets, pretty much. So I would say like around here, around here. Nothing crazy, but it's gonna be more of a trade where you could just sell as you want as it goes down. I would say that's your best bet. Now we're about to take out. Oh no, we just took out all-time high. Okay, perfect, perfect. Okay, so now we can finally get rid of this level. So let me do that. Okay, there you go. So now we took out all-time high. We're in a kind of a zone where it's either we get a trade or we don't get a trade all day. All right, guys. So yeah, like I told you guys, if price holds above the all-time high, I hate to say it, but we're gonna have to call it because there is no way I'm trading anything around this range. All right, guys. So, like I said, if we keep pumping up big time, like a really big pump above all-time high, I'm gonna call it early, and I'm just gonna wait till something comes up, and I'll just start it again. Now, if we can get a sweep right now where sellers start stepping in, like guys, if sellers were to step in, it would have to be right now, like no time wasted. Sellers right now, right? Because the more we go above, the worse the setups get. All right, guys. So we can't break above this. This is the highest point we can go to. If we go above, I'm sorry, guys, but we're not touching it. All right. Yes, we'll bring us down. Hopefully, I mean we're still sitting at this high right here. We might as well, but we need NQ to sell off right now because we're all-time highs. The higher we go, the worse it gets. All right, guys. But yeah, there's no more liquidity above, so right now would be the perfect time to sell off. Sure, we can go a little bit higher if that's what buyers need. We can get that. I don't mind, right? But if we're going like 50 points above, I'm gonna call it. All right, because I am not trading up here. All right, guys. Why go against the trend? Because that's my strat, bro. If you're new here, then that's my strat. And it's not going against the trend. I'm waiting for my confirmations for a reversal. That's what we're waiting on. If not, I would have been in shorts. Trust me. $50 seems like buyers are slowing down. Well, we're all-time highs, bro. So who knows? Now, if we can create a fair value gap here, I would also use it to our advantage. It'll be an earlier entry. Let me measure this real quick. Oh, it's only 27 points. We're gonna have to pump up like 13 more points. I would let it. But yeah, like I said, guys, if price pumps into like, for example, 750, I'm gonna call it. I'm just gonna come back if we even get a sweep later today. Cause I wasn't expecting us to trade out all-time highs today. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. But yeah, we're waiting for the selling signal if we get it. That's all we need. All we need is patience here. Now, if we're gonna trade up here, we might as well pump up 15 more points so we can create the fair value gap, which will be a lot better because we can get an earlier setup instead of having to wait for this entire sell-off down here. But so far we're up 31 points. We just need a 9-point push-up. We have a minute into this candle. Buyers are strong. I'm sure we can get it. I'm sure we can get it. Nearly a 300-point. Yeah, I know, bro. I know. I hope you just sell off in this. Yeah, no, we'll be fine, bro. We'll be fine. We just gotta wait. Are we in? Well, we're not. There's nothing here, bro. We're waiting on it. Yeah, hopefully we can create a gap here, cause if not, we can still use this down here. All that matters right now, guys, is can we sweep this? That's all that matters. We're in a situation where there's no in between. It's either we do and we get a trade, or we don't and we don't get a trade. All right. So, yeah. Fingers crossed. I really hope we sell off here, because if we can get the sell off, it'd be the best thing possible. Now let's see if we can create a Ferrari gap here. I mean, we're pumping up still. We have 10 seconds to this candle, so let's see. So far we're 33 points. 5 seconds left. I doubt we get it. Yeah, no, we're not gonna get it. But we could probably still use it if we want to get a really early entry. Now, it's just how much buying are we really gonna get? That's a real question. That's a real question. As long as we hold below 706, I'll be happy. That's all we need. We're gonna pump a little bit more, like some. We're gonna see, bro. We're gonna see. We just need some weakness in buying. Yeah, Chris. Bro, trust me. No one is trading against the trend. Trading against the trend, I'll be red as hell right now. I probably wouldn't even have accounts right now. That's what trading against the trend is. We're just waiting for the setup. Obviously, I'm not gonna be taking longs at all-time highs. That's stupid. That goes for everyone. There's nothing you can target above. But yeah, ES is still showing some signs of buyers, so we're gonna have to keep waiting. Now, if we do sell off, how many points do we have to dump down to get this 80 points? Okay, that's not horrible. We have volume, so it shouldn't be a big deal. Did you miss a trade? No, you didn't. You're good. We're still waiting on it. Would I ever invest? Yeah, bro. Yeah, that's like the one thing I would invest in. Right, 80 points is a lot. In a market like today, 80 points. Obviously it's a lot. I'm not saying it's not, but for us to dump down 80 more points, it's not. It's not like as crazy as you might think, especially with today's volume. Like we could see it in no time. It's not like we have to wait 2 hours to sell off 80 points. We can probably get it in like 5-10 minutes. For anyone new, I advise you to watch some of the class. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Now, can we get sellers to start picking up here? ES is still showing buyers, so we gotta wait on that. Hey, I passed my eval account on Apex. No, just wait till the day ends. So at 6 p.m. EST, you should get an email saying like, hey, congrats. You know. Yeah, ES wants to keep pushing here. When is 80% off coming back? I don't know. Bro, I know as much as you do, bro. But yeah, let's see. So far, I don't want to say anything, but like I said, guys, as long as we can hold below 706, I'm happy. That's all we need. Hold below 706. That's all. Hopefully, this is not just a little mini pullback and we go back up. Because if we do, then I'm gonna be really disappointed. Oh, okay. Too many buyers, bro. Too many buyers. But what I'm trying to say is, guys, once we get the selling to come in, like the second sellers take the control, we should be good, bro. When you say that you only enter off inverses, no, I don't only enter off inverses. I do continuation as well. After we sweep a level, Is the level like something on the hourly? Here, this can help you out, bro. Here, give me a second. Let me find it. Yeah, no, buyers are way too strong still. As long as we don't, as long as we don't push too high up, I guess we're good. But man, right now we're in a spot where it's like we're questioning if we're even gonna get a trade today. The sellers, they're just non-existent right now. And I'm not taking longs. I don't care what you guys say. No one should. This thing is, there's no targets. I got you, Nathan. I think we're good for a setup. No, we're still nearby. It's not really a big deal. We just need, like I said a million times, we just need selling. There's too many buyers. Obviously, with we can't get anything with too many buyers. Patience, 100%. Uh, SJN, bro. I've said it a million times, bro. I am not longing an all-time high. I do not care how good the setups look. I don't care how strong buyers are. I am not longing an all-time high. No one does that, at least from what I know. There's no targets, so it's the only choice we have is just wait for a sign of a reversal. Because we have the whole world to the downside. To the upside, it's just come on, dude, just longing. We know you want to, bro. Hey, bro. So why would you want the 5 minute when you mark the 15 minute closer to a sweep? The 5 minute, you'll get an earlier entry. We're far enough from an entry, let alone a further one. So I would use the 5 minute. Market hunts liquidity. Exactly, liquidity is being formed up here. That's what the concept pretty much, that's what it's known for. But me, I'm staying patient. I'm waiting for the sellers to step in. I don't care if it takes all day. I'm gonna wait for it. I don't care if it takes until tomorrow. So you're saying wait another week for a chop and take it, bro? If that's what we have to do, then sure, fuck it. If that's what makes me money, then yeah, you gotta learn how to wait, bro. It's either we get it today, tomorrow, who knows? But if that's what I have to do, I've done it before and I'll do it again. I don't really care. I've waited a whole week for a setup, yeah. And guess what? It paid out. If we keep going all the time, we're never gonna get a trade. Well, obviously we're not gonna be all time high forever, bro. The market doesn't just go up. That's what we're waiting for, bro. The market doesn't only go up. You just gotta, I mean, look at this. You see what I mean? Looks like sellers. Well, I don't. Every time I say it, it always reverses. So I'm trying to avoid saying it. If you get the setup and be patient, we're still golden. Yeah, bro. Yeah. It's only been going on for 3 months, bro. Because you're looking at the higher time frame, bro. Obviously, we're getting trades throughout these 3 months, bro. I mean, just we literally got 120 points like 2 days ago, and 200 the week before. He's going to January. What's in January? Hopefully, sellers take control here. Hopefully. But we're waiting on it. They won 1,000 points. I don't know if I'll ever hit 1,000 points because news at 10:30. That news doesn't really move the market. It's oil news, and Q is not oil. It could probably like move something, but it's not gonna be anything crazy. Like, don't expect anything. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. 600 points, 630 points from what I caught. I don't think I'll ever beat that record. Like, we would have to go into a literal crisis to get 600 points. That's even if we get a setup. So that's out of the picture. Like, we're probably never gonna get anywhere near that ever again. When did I catch it? I caught it August 26th. I remember the day. It was August 26th. I think it was August 26th. It was either August 26th or 27th. But what ended up happening was the Japanese currency just completely died. Like it just went to shit. And NQ took a hit with it. Obviously, with the currency taking such a big hit, you know, it's gonna react. So luckily for us, we found the setup. I'm like, okay, guys, I don't really care about the Japanese currency. But the setup does look good, so I'm gonna take it. And some news came out, and we dumped like crazy, to the point where in like an hour and a half or 2 hours, the market somehow sold off 600 points, and we were in throughout most of it. Yeah, 600 points is possible for swing traders, but AD, we caught that trade in less than 2 hours. 600 points in less than 2 hours. So post it. It's in the alert channel. If you guys scroll up enough, to August, it's like August 27. I no, it was 26. August 26. If you scroll up to that time to that time thing, you guys can probably find the alert there. How much money? Okay, at the time I was trading 5 accounts, and I think I made 1,000 per account. But it was 5 accounts, so it wasn't anything crazy. Now, if I was doing 10 or 20, I'll probably be retired by now. But you know, how do you not go over the profit? Okay, I was forced to sell early. I sold at 300 points, but I told the chat, my guys, if you guys want to hold it, for free too. The alert is all there. You guys can, if you guys don't believe me, you guys can go check for yourself. Go to the futures alert, scroll all the way up to August, and it'll be there. It was like 650, 630 points. But yeah, I don't think I'm ever gonna see something like that unless something really bad, which God forbid. Um, if something really bad happens to the economy or to the world, maybe we get something near it. But right now, I don't think so. I don't think so. I really don't think we'll ever get, at least anytime soon. Bro, gear. The thing is, Diego, that doesn't really move the market that much. Like there's rumors that happens, like, oh, like, one thing happened, whatever. No, we caught the Japanese. What is it? Yen. They do yen, right? I think so. Something like that. It was August 1st. No way. Oh yeah, it was August 1st. What? I thought it was like near late August. No, it was August 1st. Okay, well, you guys can see right there. 650 points. Damn, okay, what the hell? So then I caught something on August 26th then. I don't remember what it was. It was probably like 200 points then. It was something. It was your first day here? Bro. Uzi, I don't think we pumped 600 points during election day. Did we? I think it was like 300. Because it was during Asia. So it was like whatever. Everyone was sleeping. David, so if it influences the 15 minute, no, I want to do the 5 minute. I want to do this 5 minute fair value gap. This is the one I'm paying attention to. But right now, what I'm looking for is an MSS to form. So that's what we're waiting for. We already have the sweep, because obviously we're holding below the level. Now what we need is for lower highs and lower lows to start being created. All right, guys. So that's what we're waiting on. Remember, the fair value gap is still pretty far. It's about like 70 points away. No, it's 50 points away. Okay, not bad. 57 points away, right? So where would the MSS be? It's not where, it's when. Pretty much all we're looking for right now is just this into shorts, or I mean into fair value gap. This is what we're looking for. A simple MSS. It's not where, it's just when do we get it. You know what I mean? Because we already have the sweep going on. We have drawn liquidity, which is all-time highs. We have the sweep for now. We're holding. Hopefully, we don't pump above, but we were holding below it. Right? As long as we hold below it, we have the sweep. All we need now is the MSS to be confirmed. Once we get the MSS and we have all the selling momentum, all we need is a simple inverse. We get the inverse, we take shorts, we're good to go. All right, guys. So yeah, that's what we're waiting on. It's not where, it's when. Yeah, famous words of every time. Wait, what? Yo. But yeah, no. Hopefully we get more. Well, we need more. We need more sellers. Yes, it's trying to sweep as well. We need more. Whatever we have is good, but we need more. And we need it stronger. We need to keep breaking these lows. Do you do more trades on your Discord than RPs? No, I don't. I post the same trades. The only difference is the live. Yeah, like Travel said, it's the live trading. Um, getting really close to the 15-minute for Radic as well. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What the hell? I didn't even notice. Yeah, it's the same thing. It's the same one. Oh yeah. So it's a 2-1 pretty much. David, do you ever trim at midpoints of the fair value gap? No, I actually trim as we tap into the fair value gap because tapping into the fair value gap, there's more of a risk of rejecting anywhere near the think of it as like the sooner the better. You said you will have a wider stop loss when you size light. How many point difference? Like 5 to 10. It depends how much I'm sizing. Obviously, with me sizing light, I'm probably not gonna take as much as a heavy loss as I would if I were to size full, which means I have the ability to give the trade more breathing room, pretty much. So yeah, inverse means opposite direction of a fair value gap. Yeah, so instead of looking for a bounce, we're looking for a rejection. Where do you plan to enter at? Right here, bro. Right here, the bottom of this FUG. That's what we're looking at. It's the 5 and 15 minute one. But yeah. Yeah, the bottom of the fair value is the same. Yeah, which is a very good thing. It's a 2-1 pretty much. The more the better. David, did you ever find out what happened with yesterday's trade when you journaled it? No, no. I didn't journal it too much because I journaled it with you guys, but I told you guys it's one of those things where like you have the perfect setup and it just doesn't want to play out. You know what I mean? It's just one of those setups. We can't do anything about it. The setup was beautiful. You guys know it. I know it. It's just it went green to be fair. Like it played out. It just couldn't hold up. It just wanted to reverse, and it happens. You know, it could happen today, it could happen tomorrow, it could happen, you know, whenever. whenever. The setup can look perfect. It's just, you know, exactly. No one has a 100% win rate. No matter how good the setup looks, sometimes it just won't play out. You know, it just doesn't want to. It's all probability. It's not. It's not guaranteed. You know what I mean? And we're buyers are still trying to step in. Hopefully they don't pull this all the way back into all-time highs again. Hopefully it's just a mini pullback. Remember, guys, these pullbacks right here, it's normal. Remember, we're looking for lower highs and lower lows, right? Obviously, for us to make an MSS, we need to create pullbacks which count as the lower highs. All right. So once again, what we're looking for is something like this. Like I just want to steadily go down. That's all we're looking for, right? Until we get the inverse. So these pullbacks, as long as we don't break highs, we're good. We don't care about these pullbacks. It's all right. As long as sellers can take control and keep pulling these buyers down, we're good. I don't care how long it takes to inverses. As long as we get it, we're good. All right, guys. It's just gonna take some time. It could take 30 minutes. It could take all day. Who knows? It can even take until tomorrow. Uh, you can help if you put VWAP on your TradeAway chart. Oh, I don't use VWAP, bro. I don't use that stuff. I don't feel the need like I need it. I don't feel like I need it. What if the market dumps fast? More volume. More volume equals more points. So that would be a good thing. We want the market to dump down fast. But obviously with so much buyers in control, it's probably not going to happen. Blas, what do you think of spending the payout? What? Yeah, you don't have to if you don't want to. Every RSI. Bro, that's like the beginner trader type of indicators. The RSI, the MACD, the EMAs, the 9 and 21. Yeah, those are all. But yeah, I'm really hoping we could just pull back here, like to the downside. What do you think about indicators in general? I don't use them. I would never say that they're bad, but just don't base your trading off just indicators. Like for example, if the RSI is at overbought, you don't just take shorts because it's overbought. You can use that as a confirmation. You know, like hey, we should expect some downside soon, but don't just take shorts because you know you can buy one. Bro, what's up with cheese, bro? But yeah, we got a very nice green to red candle, which is very good. We just need more selling. Guys, when you reset a TradeAway blown account, it charges the same initial amount. No, it should charge the I don't know, not too much. I would say just yeah, it'll be the same amount. I think. I could be wrong though. Bro, what? Indicators are all lagging. Yeah, they're all. The thing is, bro. Okay, I don't want to sound like this guy, but okay, hear me out, guys. You guys know we trade based off bank concepts. It's what works. You know, we get a very good understanding of the market thanks to these concepts, right? I hope you guys. I mean, I'm not saying it won't work, but with the concept that we trade and the way we look at the market and everything, I hope you guys don't I hope you guys know that bank. You know, like the algorithm, whatever. You know, the concept that we trade. They don't go on TradingView and search up EMA and put billions of dollars based off a little line. It's not how it works, right? And shit, who knows? Maybe the concept doesn't even work, and you know, it's just probability. But you know, that's my thinking behind it. I don't really like indicators. I don't use them. I don't really find them too useful. So you know, but yeah, we got a little pullback here because news came out, the oil news at 10:30. Yeah, yeah, it came out. It came out. It was nothing. At least I hope it was nothing. I don't use indicators either, but I do have view up on my chart just so I know what it's doing. Yeah, as long as you don't base your trade off just that indicator, you're good. You know what I mean? Like if you could use if you use it, like that's what I would do at least. If you can't read a market, naked indicators are confusing. Yeah, that's the thing. Like it depends on your strategy. That's what I'm gonna say. Like they're not bad, but they're also not good. Now if you're using a buy and sell indicator, then yeah, that's a very big problem. Like take that off. But that's about it. Your strategy is shit for all-time highs. What can I do about it, bro? Then I just don't trade. Make sure to add in support and resistance. Yeah, most traders don't trade all-time high. Try explaining that to him, bro. I don't know. I don't know what to say. As a new trader, indicators were just hard to look. No, actually, I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. When I first started trading, I try to fill up my chart with as many indicators as possible, just so I can look pretty smart. But I'm sure we've all done it. I'm sure some of you guys are probably doing it as we speak. You know, but um, as you guys go on, you're gonna slowly remove every indicator one by one by one. It's just an event that happens with everyone. In front of the bro. Yeah, you gotta look smart. That Lux all bro, he makes some serious money off those indicators. Like bro, I'm pretty sure he just scripts regular ass indicators like EMAs and he just sells them. Lux Algo, everyone has heard of him. Everyone knows about him. He was a lot more well known back then when indicators were a lot more popular. But yeah, no, bro, those indicators make him some money, bro. I know that for a fact, bro. I'm pocket watching. I don't even care, bro. SJN, bro, you gotta understand, bro. We're not gonna be trading all time highs forever, bro. Just be patient, bro. Like, relax. You keep saying that we're not gonna get anything for months. Like, bro, relax. We're just waiting, bro. You use his sessions. Um. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, got it, got it. I know what you mean. I think last best month was after hitting. I don't know what my best month was. Last month was really good, really really good. Like November was insane. I really like November. Now December, it's all right. It's all right. As long as we're not red, I'm happy with it. You know what I mean? I don't really care. Best month was September. Mm, I don't know about September, bro. Calling it soon? No, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Since we're near the setup, I'm gonna wait till something happens. Like I said, if I have to wait all day, I'll wait all day. October was the best. Nah, nah. I've definitely had better. I know August was really good. August was the month where we were getting 100-point trades every day. Why, bro? What? Why are we pumping? Like what? Okay, well I guess we're just gonna shoot straight into all-time highs again. But yeah, no, I would say August was a really good one. If we have 19 accounts on copy trading, how much do we have to size to place five a trade of 5 micros? You do 5 times 19. So you would have to do 95 contracts. Yeah, it's 95 contracts. So if you when you put 95, it's gonna split 5 in between 19, pretty much. Why doesn't it? I don't know. Yeah, July was when it broke all-time high. Best month in August. Yeah, bro, you guys don't understand it. Every single trade, 100 points. It was insane. ES doesn't even want to react positively. I don't know why NQ is doing all this extra shit. Is January a good month, bro? We don't know, bro. We're not in January. Like what? We don't know. We're in December, bro. We gotta focus on December first, and then January. David, would you let your accounts run past 750? No. I mean, from your experience, oh, I don't remember. But I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. Sometimes I don't even know what month we're in, so I can't really answer that. But I'm gonna make sure it's good. I make sure every month is good, always. Because of Trump. Is he already in office? No, right? No, not yet, not yet. What about a break and retest, bro? I don't trade that shit, bro. I don't do that. Trump's January. Oh, okay, bet. All right, then yeah, it might be a good January. Consolidation before the big sell-off. We're waiting. We're waiting on it, bro. Like I said, I'm not getting off until we see it. Oh, I don't think so. I don't know. Does NQ always follow? Yes, they follow each other. I've been trying to figure out what to size with 10 contracts compared to 7 contracts. It's your level of confidence. If you like to set up a lot, you take it. If you're missing confirmations, you just do light. You do 7, you do 5. You know what I mean? The 100-point trade days will be back. The market comes and goes in waves. Yeah, bro, we know that. We know that. Regardless, bro, I don't care if we get 10 points. I don't care if we get 100 points. As long as I'm making money with you guys, who cares, bro? You guys gotta learn not to be so greedy. But yeah, like I said, guys, I'm not getting off until we see the selling. I don't care if I have to stay on till after the market closes. I'm not getting off till we see selling. I need to see it because I'm not gonna let such a good day with like pretty good volume go to waste. We just need selling. That's all I ask for. It's not that hard. Davis rent too. Yeah. David, does Apex have any discounts right now? Not really. No. I would wait. I would wait. I don't know when they're gonna release a discount. Let me check. Let me check the website. Yeah, no, still nothing. That's surprising. They usually do it pretty soon, but I guess not. Yes, it's leading. No, it's not. Oh yeah. Well, NQ's a lot closer to highs, so NQ is technically leading. But uh, bro, why do you keep saying Powell speaking, bro? No, he's not, bro. This guy has said that like fucking 10 times already. Yeah, I paid $2,000 in court, bro. What? What'd you do? You invest in XRP? I feel like I wanted to, but you know what it is, bro. Like once you hear it on TikTok, it's already too late. You know what I mean? And that's how I heard about it. So I'm like, well, oh hell no, bro. Bro, was this today? Oh no, it wasn't. I was about to say. Has Krabby caught anything? Wait, I think he did. Oh yeah, he's in longs. How long? Oh, this was 6 minutes ago. What? Oh shit, I didn't even notice. Bet. Let me see something. Hmm. All right. Just got on. If you're gonna set up, 445, 404. No, 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 no. We have 571, 509 is what I would target. Yeah, 571, 571, 509. The question is when, or I know we're gonna get shorts, but when? I'm not. My eyes are not leaving the screen until we get shorts. I'm telling you guys right now. My eyes are not leaving the screen until we see selling coming in. It's just when, like. Only you to that? Okay, well, I don't know if I'm actually gonna stay on the whole day. Not literally, but you know what I mean. Make a call to the whales, bro. I am the whales, bro. I just don't feel like selling right now. No, I was kidding. Why do you why did you say it's harded? I'm assuming you meant harder to manage 20 PAs compared to 5 or 10. Well, obviously the harder, you know. What's your ATM settings? I think I have it off. Yeah, turn that shit off. Turn that shit off. But obviously the more accounts you have, the more stress you have on top of you. Especially with about 500 of you guys watching me, it's I'm to this day I still get nervous. You guys don't understand. Before I get on live, I take a deep breath. You guys might notice or might realize like when I say guys join up the live, I don't join for like a good like 10, 15 seconds. I'm like okay. I'm like taking deep breaths. I'm like okay, let's do it. All right, and I get on. Cause bro, I get nervous, bro. I get nervous as hell. What do you think of this idea? Let me check it out. Okay, so what do we have here? A fair value gap. This is on the 5 minute, but that fair value gap is it a fair value gap? Okay, well it's 30. Okay, I see what you're seeing, but be careful because obviously it's not too big of a candle, so there's not too much imbalance in it, right? But I do see what you see. All right, so you see the fair value gap. You're looking for a bearish move to fill the fair value gap to obviously to inverse it. Look for a bullish continuation after the fill. Wait, I don't. What are you seeing here though? Because you're looking for you're looking for an inverse, but you're also looking for a continuation, which makes no sense. Um, looking looking for retracement to the fair value gap. for entry to the downside. Okay, I get the idea, but I don't get the idea. You gotta explain it a little bit more to me. I'm not gonna lie to you. 11 in the morning. Hey, bro. Thank you, James. Thank you, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. It gets a little bit hectic sometimes. So I get nervous. This is the way I am. I can't do anything about it. Yeah, good morning, guys. Yeah, bro. I'll be drinking water. I'll be doing everything. Just, But yeah, guys. Right now, it seems like the market is in a consolidation phase, which is fine. Which is fine. I just hope we don't consolidate all day. But as long as we break below this low, we're good. We just need more selling. We just need more selling. Don't get nervous. We love you. But I love you guys too. But it's a lot of you guys, and I already know you guys are saying this. Like, I'll be seeing like, okay, when I put losses, because obviously I'm human, I'm gonna lose. Yesterday was a little bit of a messy day. Who knows, right? When I put out an L, I'll see people in the chat that I didn't even know were in the premium. I've never seen their name, I've never seen their profile picture, and they start talking shit. I'm like, bro, where have you been when I'm putting the wins? You get what I'm saying? Like, bro, like who even are you? Like, you know what I mean? Like, I've never seen you in the chat, and then you're just talking shit out of nowhere. So I guess that's what gets me. That's the shit that gets me. Like, I'm like, bro, like what? Like, I lost. It's okay. Just don't full port. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. The one David has marked out is the same size. Yeah, yeah, no, no, no. Wait, what? What are you guys talking about? The Ferrari? This one? Yeah, this one's like 40 something points. Bro, what is this market, bro? Okay, no. To be fair, we are consolidating, so it's fine. It's normal. Yeah, I'm looking at this one. 44 points. Let me see. When we get it as a person, but we need, bro. I stream too. What? No, I still get nervous. I think it's a normal thing, bro. It's a normal thing. It's just with you guys, I don't know what to expect sometimes. So, you know, I'm always on the lookout. Would you have considered the fair value gap inversion at 8:30 on a good? Okay, you gotta keep in mind 8:30 was CPI. So even if it did look good, I was not gonna take it. Even if I was up, which I wasn't, I was sleeping. But no, I wouldn't have taken it just because it's a CPI candle. It's a news candle. It's a gambling candle. Nothing's gonna happen. Like the setup doesn't matter. They don't, you know. But if the one that you're talking about is on the 15-minute time frame, if you're talking about this fair value gap, since we did inverse it, would I have taken it? Yeah, I would have. But I was sleeping, so I, I wasn't gonna take it. I couldn't take it. So yeah. Now, yeah, price is definitely consolidating, which is fine. It's a normal thing. After such a big push up, it's normal. As long as we have selling, we're good. I don't care what we do. I don't care how long it takes. We just need this. That's all we need. Whoa. I like to paper trade it. That was for CPI, right? You paper traded CPI? Fire. Yeah, that's even shot. What? What? Let's launch on David coin. I mean, I'm not saying no. Nah, I'm just kidding. Do platforms not allow news trading? Oh, they do. They do. Most do. And we're pumping back up. Nice. They didn't. Yeah, they used to not be able to, but they changed it. They're like, yeah, it's more money for us because you're probably gonna blow up your account. So you can just do what you want. So yeah, now they allow it. And it's true though. You're more than likely gonna blow up your account. Even if news goes your way, people find ways to blow up their account. I don't get how, but you know. And prop firms know this, so they're like, yeah, you can trade news. We don't care. Because look, sure, you might be able to pass your eval with the news, but the chances of you passing your eval and getting a payout with the way that you're trading, it's not gonna happen. And they know it. They know it. Trust me. Bro, what are we like? We're pumping up and then we just dump down like 2 seconds later. What the hell? Could this just be a small pullback in a bigger bullish trend? Yes, it could. But we also took our all-time high. So with our strategy, we're not looking for a bullish trend. We're looking for a reversal right now. We're waiting for it. So yeah, can it be due to news? What, the chop? No, 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 definitely not. Bro, you can trade news on PA. I know. I said that. I said that. I said that. I said yeah. You used to not be able to, but now you can. They don't care. They let you. They know that you're gonna blow up your account, so they're like, yeah, go do it. And even if you do trade news, it's kind of against you because you can't break that 30% rule. And you guys know how news moves. It moves a lot. So even if you do make money, a lot of money throughout the news, you're probably gonna get your payout denied because you more than likely broke the 30% rule. So the odds are against you. I would rather not do it. David, what do you think about the Porsche hybrid? Bro, I hear hybrid. I'm like, ah, let me check it out. In the meantime, I'll wait for this shit. No. Nah, I'm good. I don't like that shit. GG, you look like a no trade today, bro. We're 1 hour into the market. Just give it time. Give it time. Just trust me. We got CPI? Nah, CPI already happened, bro. CPI happened like 2 hours ago. What's the 30% rule? On Apex, from what I understand, I know the rule is like all over the place. You just can't make a certain amount a day. That's what I've understood. Bro, Cole. Come on now, bro. Hold on, let me send this message real quick. Let me send guys. There you go. C706 is where it's at. I never liked the C7, but it's been going on to me. I've been seeing a lot more. Just it needs a wide body. That's about it. If not, I'll never look at that car. David stressing? Nah, bro, I'm chilling, bro. I'm here waiting for the setup. I'm fine, bro. Bro, diamonds. How do you guys even come up with this shit? Seven 20s? Oh yeah, definitely. These people stress you? Nah, bro. Honestly, I've been doing this for a while. I'm used to it. Bro, twist. Remember when you Yo, what? No, 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 no. I don't do that shit, bro. I'm trying to figure out how to explain it better. Thanks for yeah, bro. Don't worry, bro. Don't, I'll be here, bro. I'll be here. You already know I read all the chats. So just an M5. M8. M8 is better. Probably gonna wait till 10:30 then ish then hop off. Yeah, you could do that. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. Me personally, I'm like I told you guys. If I have to wait all morning for a sell off to happen, I'm gonna do that. I do not care. I don't like mid-engine. What? What is there not to like about it? How can someone follow all the trades you take and still be red at the end of the month? Who did that? What? Who? You? How the hell? Okay, to be fair, I'll be entering and I'll tell you guys, like on the screen I'll have my stop loss and you guys just put something else. It's like, bro, if you're gonna follow the trade, if you're gonna follow the entry, if you're gonna follow the price target, at least follow the stop loss. It's the point. You know what I mean? Because then the trade goes my way and you get stopped out, but I don't, and then it's a whole shit show. You know what I mean? So yeah. They were, yeah. I don't know, bro. Ask them. I mean, probably trimming issue. Oh my. Hold on. Let me drink water, bro. Jeez. There you go. Much better. We broke lows. Yeah, it seems like we're getting the selling. You know, hopefully, hopefully. I don't want to say anything just yet because crunchy, bro. I don't want to say anything just yet because this is like the millionth time where we sold off and we just pumped right back up. Can we see the green and red? Oh yeah, I got you. I got you. So if we do take this trade, which we're about to, I hope. It would look something like this. So we get the entry right here. Stop loss, the usual 25 points. I'm gonna do 28 today. Just because the fair value gap is getting pretty close to closing, we might as well do 28. More breathing room, right? And then we just target PT1, which would be this fair value gap, which is a 1 to 2 risk reward. PT2, which would be, I would say like right here. Like, yeah, same thing, right? PT2, which is a 1 to 4, and then PT3, which is gonna be oh no, we're gonna have, yeah, I'm gonna target all of this. I don't even care. I want all of this. We gotta think big here, guys. We gotta, obviously, I doubt we're gonna see these lows, but you know, who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Right? Let me make sure I have everything written out though. 21, 5, 7, 1, and now 519. Okay, perfect. But yeah, let's see. Hopefully we can get some selling. You, David, did you pay it in cash or did you finance it through a dealership? I did financing. I put 50K down and then the rest I'm just paying it off for credit because I'm young and I'm trying to build it. So yeah. But we need more selling. Like we can't just. There's no way we get such a nice selling candle. We just don't do anything in the next candle. Like what for? Yes is breaking lows. We might as well break lows here. Now yes is nowhere near the fair value gap, so it could really push us down. How's the card challenge coming along? I'm not gonna lie, bro. I haven't found time, bro. I don't have time right now. I've been focusing too much on the cord and some other stuff, so yeah. I also kind of I lost all motivation because I recorded a very nice video and I told you guys about the headliner. Like half of the video was just a black line because I didn't notice that the camera was so high up on my head, bro. So I spent a lot of money on gas for nothing. You're doing full contracts? Yeah. I mean, I don't see why not. I mean, if we stay really slow like this, then I'll probably do 7, but it's the same thing. Actually, I might do 7 just because I have pretty much a 28 point stop, pretty much 30. So yeah, I might just do 7, but you guys can do as you want. The only reason I'm doing that is because I want my stop loss to be a little bit further. Can you still pass an even one day? I don't think they have that feature on right now. They should. They always have it on. Yeah, you should be good. If not, then just wait for the discount to come up, and then just it'll be there. Am I in a trade? No, not yet. What's your daily profit stop? And I don't have a profit stop. I don't think I need one. I'm so tired. What's your favorite artist? For music, I don't know, bro. I switch it every day. Last one, the 80% off come back. I don't know, bro. I don't work for Apex. I really wish I could tell you. Trust me, I really wish I could tell you, but I I'm just a guy that trades, bro. How much would you take on your first trim? I always do 50%. Yeah, I'm thinking about 7. Yeah, 7. They should have a deal for Christmas. Maybe they're waiting for Christmas, but bro, I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. I don't want to wait any longer. I don't want to wait for that. Like, I want the discount now. Is this A plus for you? Right now, yeah. We're getting all time high sweeps. We're trying to get an MSS. We're getting an inverse. We just need more selling. That's what's gonna make the trade a lot better. Why don't you work for Apex? I don't know, bro. I don't want to. I don't know. And we're going back up. Nice, 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 nice. Well, we're gonna have to keep waiting. So back to the chat we go. Is a 25-point stop loss okay? Yeah, it is. It is. Just make sure you're sizing right. It's not the stop loss doesn't matter. It's the sizing. Obviously, you're not gonna be sizing 10 micros or yeah, 10 micros on a 25k account with a 25-point stop loss. You're gonna blow the account in one trade. Would an MSS be around 667? No. There's no price range. It's as long as the market's creating higher highs and higher lows, we're good. Short or high stocks? High stocks or like mid stocks. Wait, what, bro? I didn't even want to answer your that dumb question, bro. Because now people are gonna start asking these questions. Do you think the CA was worth? Bro, yes, bro. For the price, that's just a robbery, bro. Like a robbery in a good way. Like, in my opinion, I feel like it should be worth more. Bro, that car is if you guys are looking to get one, it's worth the price. I take it from me. Yes, it's worth the price, bro. Car the C8, it's worth it. Definitely worth it. And we're going back up because just we just should be going up. Yep. Okay. We got more waiting, more waiting. What year? I have 24. Because you never driven an AMG? I haven't. To be fair, I haven't. C7, C8? Nah, 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 nah. No. But yeah, no, if you guys are looking to get a C8, because some people in here just got it like that, I guess. Um, Definitely get it. If you guys are thinking about it, just do it. Take my word for it. You guys know I would never set you guys up. Just do it. Cayman S. Cayman S. I think that's like the little one, right? Cayman S. Let me see. Oh, what? Wait, what year? Did you put the year? Wait, which one? Which one? You're saying new, so I'm assuming 2024. Bro, what? No fucking way. Let me see. 2024. It's 2024, right? I'm assuming it's 2024. Right? They're not even that much. Okay, wait. Oh, wait. Oh, I was looking at the RS. I was about to say, bro. Nah, they're pretty though. I like those. I feel like those cars they should come with a wing, cause I don't know. It looks too naked without it. If not, just add it. I would at least. Cars are looking affordable. Yeah, they're affordable, quote unquote, supercars. I like to say supercars. I don't care what you guys say. You see the Corvette as you what? You can't mix those two in the same sentence, bro. What? Is that actually a thing? No, it's not, bro. It's a concept. I hope it's a concept. Let's leave it as a concept. Any mods coming to the C8? No. Right now I'm kind of saving everything for the supercharger. Cause that's what I want to do. ES dump and Q pump. Bro, we're still consolidating, bro. We're gonna have to wait a little bit. You have an R8? Oh hell nah, bro. That's fire. What? That's fire, bro. Up to 1,000 sweaters. I'm not doing that shit no more. That shit was might be a PM session, bro. Okay, I know I usually tell you guys like, hey, we're gonna do PM, and I don't end up doing PM. But today I'm going to do PM. Like, you guys don't understand. I want to do shorts so bad, but I can't because there's no selling yet. Nah, bro, that R8 is nasty, bro. How much is an R8? It's like what, like 100k, right? Okay, if an R8 is any less than 100k, 150k. Oh, okay. I was about to say if an R8 is less than, I'm gonna go to the dealership right now and get one. I promise you guys. But bro, what? That's crazy, bro. And it's a new one as well. That's beautiful. That is beautiful, bro. You get one for under, bro. I'm not, bro. No, not right now, bro. Not right now. You have an RA as well. What the yo? What are you guys doing? What, bro? Nah, bro. I'm about to quit trading at this point and do what you guys are doing, bro. What the hell? Yo, everyone in here has an R8. Shit. Oh, it's rented, bro. I was about to say, bro. What's it, bro? The last thing I'm trying to say, guys, right now is PM session. I don't want to say it because I don't want to get off because I want to see sellers. But, bro. By the way, quick question. Are you guys green for the week? Or are you guys doing like whatever? Because Monday was really good, but yesterday was a little bit mixed. You know what I mean? Break evenish? Okay, I'm pretty green on the week still. So that's why I'm not really forcing anything out, nor am I impatient. I never really am, but where's my fault though? Yesterday was good. Yesterday was alright, bro. Bro, we saw it, but bro, it just didn't hold up, bro. Super green. I'm seeing some reds. I'm assuming the reds were from yesterday, unless you took your own trades today. Every time you say there's a PM session, well, obviously, it's not like I just the market just does not give anything. You know what I mean? Like I can't control that. I work with what I get, and I don't get anything. So you should do this with bro. I considered it, bro. But trying to explain that shit to my mom, bro, it's I rather not do it. And we're pumping up more. Nice. Just cause, yeah, we just need to apparently. Would I do it? Yes, cause it's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool concept. But explaining that shit to my mom is like, it's not even worth it, bro. Yesterday was good. It just had a lot. That's what I'm saying, bro. Like the trade yesterday, the setup was really good. The trade was alright. It's just the runners fucked us up. I pretty much went break even on that trade. But then Monday we caught 120 points. At least most of us did. Um, so that's still holding up my week pretty nice, pretty nice. That day I made 600 per account, and then yesterday was just break even. So I'm happy with the week. It's just like, bro, I know we can catch something today. It's just not right now. I have a family too. I had to convince him to get a hydrated. Bro, it'll be the same thing. It's close to drunk. You come in clutch, bro. What? You're down 100 points on a trade and you're still not out. Nah, bro. That's bro. That's your problem, bro. That's your. You see what I mean? And then when I ask like, yo, are you guys green? Like, it's like, you see what I mean? Like, bro, put a stop loss, bro. You're down 100 points, not $100. 100 points. You entered at 620 and price is at 720. Bro, I don't even know how your account is not blown yet. Bro's liquidity. Do you recommend tops over Apex? I'm gonna tell you right here. Apex. I like Apex a lot more. Bro, Aaron, that's just disgusting, bro. I like just looking at the pictures. Like it's like, bro, hell no. I'll never eat that shit. I'm gonna just drop my water bottle over my setup, bro. Double top is beautiful. We have a well, we don't have it just yet, but we we've been consolidating here since 10 in the morning. It's 11. For the last hour, we've been consolidating. What time is PM session today? Well, it's every day. It's the same time every day. It starts at 1 p.m. EST. Are you Christian? Yes, I am. Yes, sir. 5 minute what? Shoosh? The hell is that? I know this is probably a frequently asked question, but why don't you go live in Profit Insider? Cause I have my own stuff to worry about. If RP wants to do a live in his thing, he could do it. You know what I mean? I worry about my obviously my group. I do the YouTube for you guys, so you guys can watch it as well. You know, so you guys can get the trades with me. But I'm one person, and I can really only be in one call and focus on one chat. Let alone this one being crazy enough already. So yeah, if you want lives in that one, you gotta ask RP to do it. You know, to trade live. So yeah, his group, his responsibility. Are you speaking to YouTube? Yes, I am. I have both YouTube and Discord open. Why don't you just execute for me, bro? Legal reasons? What? What could be so legal about just trading live? And we're going into all-time highs again. This is where I call it into the PM, pretty much. But we need better markets, bro. We really do. Oh wait, there you go. Bro, what? They made a Reddit? No way. Let me see. This is a game of anyone is profitable. I think we're Bro, they doxed him? What the fuck? Wait, what? Yo, that's fucked. What the hell? Yo, they doxed this dude on Reddit, bro. Oh, hell nah. Nah, some people are weird, bro. That's some crazy ass work, bro. What? Nah, that's actually weird. On Reddit is crazy. That's some crazy work, bro. Anyways. Yeah, no, yeah, that's fucked up. Yeah, I agree with you, Aaron. That's really weird. Don't be like that guy. That's really fucking weird. Especially on Reddit, bro. Like why Reddit? Bro, it's not lore. It's just trolling, bro. Bro, that steering wheel is so nice, bro. Bro, it has the top off and everything. Hold on, let me watch it. I'm not gonna lie, bro. The R8 sounds like the C8, like very, very similar to the C8. Very similar to the C8. The shifts instant sound the same. The exhaust sounds the same. I don't know. You guys can hate on me for that, but to me it sounds the same. Get up, bro. There's a V8 and a V10. Well, it sounds the same. I don't know. At least in the video, at least. Did you try it? No, I'm not, bro. What? It sounds. I can send you a video of mine. It will sound the same exact way. Yeah, yeah, Aaron. That's really fucked up. Don't be like that guy. That's a whole lawsuit waiting to happen, probably. What's your goal with the copy trading? Wait, what? Okay, David, what's your goal with like this copy trading blow up and YouTube and all that stuff? What's your main goal? Okay. So with Discord, obviously, I want to grow this community to as big as possible. Well, maybe not too big, because you guys are enough. Sometimes. But nah, like all jokes aside, like obviously, I would want a nice community. Copy trading, 20 accounts. That's the goal. It's just max everything out pretty much. And then YouTube, I don't know. I don't really see myself being a streamer, but I guess I am technically. But yeah. And we just took out all-time high again. It's like we got so close to a setup, and it just wants to reverse because it feels like it. Oh, you found it? Oh, it's under the day trading Reddit. Let me see. Bro, I just read. I just understood what you said. It's because ES is consolidating. Yeah, everything is consolidating. It's normal. It's normal. Now, obviously, with us sitting at all-time highs, there's not much I can really work with. So it's just a waiting game for now. Especially with us breaking new highs for some reason. So yeah. Supercharged Mustang is not better, bro. Hell no. That's just too common over here. Bro, be careful, bro. That boy got the radar and everything. But yeah, guys. Would you guys want to come back PM session? Because my eyes are getting tired. Yes. And I promise, guys, I've been telling you guys all morning that I don't want to get off the charts until we get a trade. So I'm not getting off. I just, I'm just gonna watch it on my laptop. Cause I really want to get a trade today. I really, really want to get a trade today. It's just with us at all-time highs, it's really fucking hard until later. So sounds good. What about okay, Shelby? Yeah, it's good. But anything else? Nah. Bro, I'm not, bro. The market just doesn't give us anything. David, help me quit my job. I'm trying to, bro. One by one. One by one. I've been seeing a lot of you guys getting payouts, so that makes me happy, bro. But right now, obviously, we're in a market where we can't really work with anything. At least yet. At least yet. What time is PM session? 1 p.m. EST. 1 p.m. EST. What does Marcus ask? I don't know, bro. I'm trying to buy an M5 CS. I'll try, bro. I'll try. Will you do? Yeah, I'll do live. I'll do live. All right, guys. But yeah, I'm gonna get off. I'm gonna get off for a little bit, rest my eyes, and if we get the selling again, then back to live and we take the setup. All right, guys. All right, peace out, guys. Peace, guys. Peace. And YouTube, guys, if you guys want to join the premium, I am gonna go live later in the PM session, but just for Discord. So if you guys do want to join the premium, guys, it's the first link in the description. If you guys do want to join, get access to the alerts, the live trading and all that good stuff, you guys could join. All right, guys. But I'm gonna get off from YouTube. I'm gonna rest my eyes a little bit and come back later and try to get a trade. All right, guys. So yeah, I'll let you know. I'll let you guys know how it goes tomorrow. All right, guys. Peace out, guys. Take it easy. Peace.